All right, here's the setting up outside whenever possible. So today is day 19 of the 90-day challenge, and I am going to start talking about some of the content that I hope to be learning about and sharing over the next couple of years. So, Mycelium Running is How Mushrooms Can Help Save the World by Paul Stamets, and it's a really awesome book compilation, whatever you want to call it, basically textbook on mushrooms, written by Paul Stamets, who is I think world-renowned mycologist. I don't know if he's technically a mycologist, but definitely has a super deep background and wide range of knowledge, and has created some incredible companies. And I just wanted to actually give some background on the book so that people can look it up if they want to, because mushrooms are super awesome. They are definitely one of the major interests that I found while I was working as a health and beauty department manager. That was one of my major focuses for educating myself too, because the company that he created, Host Defense, or Fungi Perfecti, was one of the best educational opportunities for mushrooms, for herbs, for well, maybe not entirely for herbs, but definitely for mushrooms, and for anatomy actually. So that was a great experience that I had, and this book happens to be something that I won in a gift basket. So I'm going to read some of the back and inside fold. So again, this is Mycelium Running, How Mushrooms Can Help Save the World by Paul Stamets. Stamets is a visionary emissary from the fungus kingdom to our world, and the message he's brought back in this book about the possibilities fungi hold for healing the environment will fill you with wonder and hope. That is from Michael Pollan, another author of The Botany of Desire. This is the kind of book I love, highly factual and practical, and mixed with the spiritual content that sets the great writers apart from all the rest. John Norris, former Deputy Commissioner of the Food and Drug Administration and founder of the Bioterrorism Institute. This is the first book to give the kingdom of the fungi its proper place in the scheme of things. It is the most important book on nature that I've seen in years. That is from Gary Linkoff, author of National Audubon Society Field Guide to North American Mushrooms, which is another awesome book. A paradigm-changing book. Stamets' visionary insights are leading to a whole new understanding of how mushrooms, scarcely seen and rarely appreciated, regulate the Earth's ecosystem. From John Todd, founder and president of Ocean Arcs International. This visionary and practical book should be an instant classic in the emerging science of how to use nature's wisdom and fecundity to rescue the Earth and ourselves from the unwelcome consequences of human cleverness. From Amory B. Lovins, Chief Executive Officer of Rocky Mountain Institute. This gospel of fungi contains crucial, pragmatic solutions showing us how to work with nature in order to heal nature. Kenny Osbel, founder and co-executive director of Bioneers. Right, so something about the book now. Mycelium Running is a manual for the mycological rescue of the planet. That's right, growing more mushrooms may be the best thing we can do to save the environment. And in this groundbreaking text from mushroom expert Paul Stamets, you'll find out how. The basic science goes like this. Microscopic cells called mycelium, the fruit of which are mushrooms, recycle carbon, nitrogen, and other essential elements as they break down plant and animal debris in the creation of rich new soil. What Stamets has discovered is that we can capitalize on mycelium's digestive power and target it to decompose toxic wastes and pollutants. Mycoremediation. Catch and reduce silts from steam beds and pathogens from agricultural watersheds. Mycofiltration. Control insect populations. Mycopesticides. And generally enhance the health of our forests and gardens. Mycoforestry and mycogardening. In this comprehensive guide, you'll find chapters detailing each of these 4 exciting branches of what Stamets has coined mycorestoration, as well as chapters on the medicinal and nutritional properties of mushrooms, inoculation methods, log and stump culture, and species selection for various environmental purposes. Heavily referenced and beautifully illustrated, this book is designed to be a classic reference for bemushroomed generations to come. So that is an idea of what this book contains, and then I'm gonna share the bio on Paul Stamets. Paul Stamets, founder of Fungi Perfecti, has been a dedicated mycologist for more than 30 years. He is the 1998 recipient of the Collective Heritage Institute's Pioneers Award and the 1999 recipient of the Founder of a New Northwest Award from the Pacific Rim Association of Resource Conservation and Development Councils. Stamets has written 5 books on mushroom cultivation, use, and identification, and numerous articles and scholarly papers on medicinal, culinary, and psychoactive mushrooms. His books, Growing Gourmet and Medicinal Mushrooms and The Mushroom Cultivator, which he was the co-author of, have long been hailed as the definitive texts on mushroom cultivation. So that is an idea of what's in this book, and I highly recommend it for anybody that's interested in learning about mushrooms. It's got really awesome pictures, but it's very heavily all about the text and the information, the facts, and uses. So I wanted to share that with everybody, and I hope you liked it. So if you like it, subscribe, like it. I like you too. Bye.